What if I told you the yearly grind of planting and replanting your garden is totally unnecessary? Imagine growing vegetables once and harvesting for years, even decades. Today, we're revealing 15 powerful perennial vegetables that come back stronger every season. Get ready to change the way you garden forever. Number 15. Asparagus. Plant it once, and it can feed you for decades, sometimes up to 50 years. Start with the crown, be patient for the first 2 seasons, and by year 3, you'll harvest tender spears every spring. It's not just a crop, it's a long-term investment in your food security. Number 14. Rhubarb. Plant it once, and it'll keep producing for over a decade. Its tangy stalks return every spring, thriving in cool climates. Just remember, only the stalks are edible. The leaves are toxic. Rhubarb is the perfect plant it and forget it garden staple. Number 13. The globe. Artichoke. This stunning plant isn't just beautiful, it's delicious and long-lived. In mild climates, it can keep producing tender, edible buds for 5 years or more. It's like adding a living sculpture to your garden that also feeds you every season. Number 12. Good King Henry. Once a staple in old European gardens, this hardy perennial survives freezing winters and returns every spring. Its shoots taste like asparagus, its leaves like spinach, and even the buds are edible. It's a forgotten powerhouse and a living piece of garden history. Number 11. Lovage. Think celery, but taller, stronger, and packed with bold, savory flavor. This 6-foot perennial comes back every spring, and every part is edible. Use the leaves, stems, seeds, even roots. One plant can flavor your dishes and your garden for years. Number 10. Skirret. A sweet, peppery root once beloved in medieval kitchens. It's a true perennial. Plant it once, harvest some roots each year, and let the main crown regrow. With lacy white flowers and easy propagation, it's history and flavor in one plant. Number 9. Sea kale. A hardy perennial from European coasts. It tolerates salt, wind, and poor soil. Plant once, and it returns every year with tender shoots, flavorful leaves, and honey-scented flowers. A low-maintenance gourmet treat that's as beautiful as it is productive. Number 8. Tontine kale. This ancient tree kale can live 5 to 8 years or more, producing tender, tasty leaves year-round. A single plant grows into a 6-foot shrub, tough against pests and weather. Propagate easily from cuttings and enjoy a perpetual kale harvest. Number 7. Walking onions. These self-planting onions grow bulbils at the top that root wherever they touch the ground. Slowly walking across your garden. Harvest the green shoots, spicy top bulbs, or base bulbs, and let a few remain to keep the patch perpetually producing. Number 6. Linden tree. This edible leaf tree produces tender greens all spring, perfect for salads and sandwiches. Its fragrant flowers make calming tea. A single tree yields more than a row of lettuce and keeps feeding you for a lifetime, no annual planting required. Number 5. Jerusalem artichoke, or sunchoke. A towering sunflower with underground tubers that taste nutty and sweet. Plant once, and leftover tubers sprout each spring, giving a perpetual harvest. It's highly productive, almost impossible to contain, and feeds you reliably all winter. Number 4. Chaya, or tree spinach. A tropical perennial that grows into a small tree, producing nutrient-rich leaves year-round. It's drought-tolerant, pest-resistant, and incredibly productive. Cook the leaves before eating to remove toxins, and enjoy a superfood that keeps giving forever. Number 3. Sorrel. A zesty perennial green that pops up early in spring and returns year after year. Its lemony, tangy leaves that punch to salads and soups, low maintenance and flavorful. Just a few plants provide plenty for your family season after season. Number 2. Sea beet. The wild ancestor of spinach and chard. This rugged perennial thrives in poor soil and drought. It produces dark green, nutritious leaves all season, virtually pest-proof. Plant it once, and you create a self-sufficient, permanent spinach patch for years to come. Number 1. Moringa, the miracle tree. A fast-growing, drought-tolerant tree with leaves packed with vitamin C, calcium, protein, and iron. Every part is useful: leaves, seed pods, flowers, and seeds. Plant one, and you have a permanent, super nutritious food source that keeps giving for years. We're over halfway, and I hope you're picturing these plants in your garden. Want more tips to plant once and eat forever? Hit subscribe, don't miss what's next. So there you have it, 15 perennial vegetables that can feed you for years. Start small. Choose 3 favorites. Plant them this season, and share in the comments which ones you picked. Let's build a community of gardeners planting for a sustainable future.
Thanks for watching. Happy nice day.